Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to create Discord account on mobile. In this tutorial, I will be reading to you a step-by-step process on how to do it. First, you will need to create an account. Number 1, you will need a username, your email address or phone number, and number 3, a password. If this is your first time on Discord, press register to create your account. Again, you will need to enter a username, your email address or phone number, and then a password. Once you have finished creating an account information, you can then press create an account to start using Discord. It should look like this. This is a detailed image on how you will register over to Discord. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.